Hello students, this is lecture 1 of chapter 3 and chapter 3 is also related to the MS Access. Last time in chapter 2 we had learnt about the creation of relationship. After the relationship, now the next topic is their queries. How will you do queries in the database? So now I have opened existing file employee that I had created last time. Now two tables we had created here. Personal, double click on this one to open the table, and second one was that salary. And if you want to see the relationship, then you can click the data sheet and click the relationship option. You will get here this screen in which you can see that the relationship is there through this line. After creating relationship, we can do the query from both tables together. And query means that asking question answers or accessing required information from the databases is called the queries. Now to create the query, we can use the create tab. In create tab, you will get here query wizard, query design. So firstly, I am going to create here through the query wizard. Wizard is the step-by-step process. Click the query wizard. Here four options are there: simple query wizard, cross-tab query wizard, find duplicates, find unmatched. So now here I am taking simple query wizard in which you can see all the data in the form of rows and columns. Okay. The next screen will be this one. On this screen you have to select the table and the headings or fields that you want to see in the query. So I selected here the first table, personal, and then after in this table I selected employee ID, employee name. After that I am selecting the second table. In this table I am selecting the salary field because ID we have taken already. Click the next option. Here what do you want? You want to see in the short view, then you can use the summary. Otherwise, if you want to see in the detail format, you can use the detail. So click the detail and click the next option. You can you can change the name of the query from here. So I took here my query MYQ, and now open the query in the view to view the information or modify the query design. Means if you want to see the information that you have selected previously, then you can use the first option. Otherwise, if you want to make changes in that one, you can use the modify the query design. So I selected here this first one and then click the finish option. See, employee ID, employee name and salary. This was the first way to create the query in the MS Access.